And would these be the people who were amongst the 7 other people who were in their house when the incident happened?
Manje labantu laba ke ilabanye ndaba bebakhona endlini kulabo abanye abayi7 laba bebakhona lapha endlini ngalenkathi sehlakalo lisenzeka.
Yebo abantu ababekho.
Yes, they were inside the house.
Enokunye mina okungimangaza kakhulu ukuthi abantu ababesendlini babalela ko6 kodwa kulethwa abantu abathathu.
And another thing, my Lord, that surprises me is that the people that were in the house, they were said to be around 6, but only 3 were brought.
La enkantolo uGininda ngithi nomkhulu balethe igama lokuthi kukhona umuntu abathi mastermind.
Here in court, Gininda and Mukhula gave a picture that there was somebody else whom they called the mastermind.
Lafunwa igama bagcina bathi uKelly Khumalo lo.
Then the mention of a name was asked, or it was pressed, and then they ended up saying that person is Kelly Khumalo.
Bathi wayethume thina nabafowethu labo.
They said, my Lord, she had requested or asked us and my co-accused to go and unalive Senzo.
Kodwa la court akekho Kelly Khumalo.
But here in court, Kelly Khumalo is not here.
Ngicabanga ukuthi mina umuntu obulele othuma abantu ukuthi beyobulala umuntu. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngokwenkantolo noma ngokomthetho uyena umuntu osuke efuneka kakhulu lo.
I believe, my Lord, that if there is a mastermind who has masterminded the killing of somebody, according to the law or according to the court, that person is important and he needs to come before the court.
Ngoba ngicabanga ukuthi umuntu engasuka ubulala umuntu engamthumanga lo muntu lo.
Because I don't think somebody can just go and kill somebody when he was or she was not sent.
Njobo uma kuthiwa umuntu ukuthengile ukuthi uyobulala umuntu. Shukuthi uye wenza ukuthi uzibulale ubungeke ubulala kube ngakuthenganga.
Because if somebody has paid you to go and kill someone, you would not have gone to kill that person if you were not sent to go and kill the person.
Angisho ukuthi uKelly Khumalo ubulela uSenzo Meyiwa.
I am not by any way saying that Kelly Khumalo killed Senzo Meyiwa.
But ngikhuluma ngenkulumo la ecourt ukuthi uKelly Khumalo uye wathuma izinkaba ukuthi zobulala uSenzo Meyiwa.
But I am just referring or quoting what was said here in court, that Kelly Khumalo is the one that hired the hitman to go and unalive Senzo.
Incwadi khona la ivezile uGininda wathi ena wayibhala ukuthi beyoboshwa uKelly Khumalo.